you're probably already pretty familiar with our Earth. What you might not have known is that our Earth is not the same Earth as it was 1 million years ago, 100 years ago, or even 5 years ago. Various factors, including plate tectonics, glaciation, and volcanic activity, have made our Earth the way it is. We will examine these processes through the lenses of 4 different features, learning a little bit about each one on the way.
Kettle Moraine is a moraine stretching from Walworth County to Kewaunee County. A moraine is defined as any glacially formed accumulation of glacial debris. Kettle Moraine was formed when 2 glacial lobes collided. These lobes were the Lake Michigan lobe and the Green Bay lobe. This collision also happened to form Green Bay and Lake Winnebago. Kettle Moraine is named after its collection of kettles, shallow bodies of water filled with sediment left over by glaciers. Many parts of Kettle Moraine are protected in the Kettle Moraine State Forest. This also happens to contain portions of the Ice Age National Scenic Trail. Rib Mountain, also known as Rib Hill, is a glacially created monodock in Wausau. It is primarily made up of quartzite and has a soft sienite sheet. The mountain is about 4 miles long and has peaks as high as 1,924 feet. More interesting in its character than its appearance, Rib Mountain has some fascinating facts surrounding it. Right, Audrey?
Yeah! Due to its height, Rib Mountain is home to several radio and TV transmitters, including the transmitter for Wisconsin Public Radio. Rib Mountain is also cited as being the burial ground of mythological legend Paul Bunyan.
Leaving Wisconsin, we travel to Mount Rainier in Washington. At 411 feet high, Mount Rainier is the highest mountain in all of Washington. Mount Rainier is actually an active stratovolcano and is considered one of the most dangerous in the world. Rainier is highly eroded due to glaciation and is part of the Cascade Volcanic Arc.
To finish our geological tour, we return to the Midwest. The Porcupine Mountains of Michigan's Upper Peninsula were formed from the Keweenaw supergroup. Stratovolcanoes that surrounded the cluster led to the creation of the mountains themselves. The shapes of the mountain was then further changed by the last of the Wisconsin glaciers. The Porcupine Mountains were also home to copper mines in the 19th century. Well, that was our show. We'd like to thank our sponsors, the National Wildlife... Damn it! Well, that was our show. We'd like to thank our sponsors, the National Wildlife Foundation, the Atlas Trust, the International Conservatory of Nature, and viewers like you. Thank you.